please, 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 please. Every night I pray to God, please, please, no more whack MCs, please, 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 please.
Hey yo, straight out the cellar, we be coming to set you free from the land of the dumb deaf. For those who don't see the reality, there's actually never gonna be the same as it was. But then again, I am an MC, so I'm doing what I gotta do. I rap about the misery this hip-hop scene is going through. But I guarantee the shit is gonna turn back to that funky rhythm. Fuck the system, we'll teach the youth through lyricism. From time to time we fall down to the ground to learn how to pick us up again and fight another round. With a funky sound, it's how we came back, but we never left the underground, and that's a fact. Ask around, look it up, now who's Fat Mark? Mostly active after night, cause we stay dark with the sound boom bap. We be coming back on that rap attack. Snap the back of your shirt and slap some sense into you. Now what you wanna do? You wanna pick it up again, you wanna move on too. Now wake up, wake up, wake up from the dream. Reality is hard to find, so it seems. The bigger the truth, yo, the harder the slap. So what did you feel when you heard the new track of your favorite artist? Flipping some bars with a techno kind of DJ, fucking up the re-arcing.
It's awful garbage. Is that what they accomplish with their $1 million studios and hairstyling products? Be honest, come on man, what's up with that? We don't fall for none of those tricks. We bring the ruckus back, we got you slamming, you with your hands up in the air, cause we bringing you what you demanding. Underground, run around with your pants sagging, and if you don't feel it, then get off the bandwagon. JNS was predestined to bring it back to the essence. Look to the past and take the best of it back to the present. It's the way we put syllables strapped in a sentence. Got the instrumental sounding like a trap made in heaven. And King D is on my side. Yeah, he flips the needle right on time, and Jiggity J is standing next to me to bat my rhymes. So there's no way you'll ever stop the steaming time. We're ahead of it, bunch of predators up in their element. Hazardous with the mic device, slicing up all competitors. Respect to all the veterans that kept it real and didn't sell out their soul just to get the record deal. How does it feel listening to what we're bringing? Hip-hop is running through my veins, I'm not kidding. Fat Mark is determined to stay old school with the rhythm, cause my home is where my heart is, and moving is forbidden.
Please, 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 please. Every night I pray to God, please, please, no more whack MCs, please, please.